Pause this video right now and say this word out loud. Beach. Did you say it like beach or bitch? If you said the second one, don't panic, but we need to talk. That one vowel sound could be the difference between asking for a relaxing vacation spot and causing a very awkward misunderstanding. I'm Sarah from Listen and Learn English Easy, and today I'm revealing the 5 pronunciation mistakes that make English learners sound unclear, even when their grammar is perfect. These are the sounds that native speakers notice immediately, and more importantly, they're the sounds that make you doubt yourself when speaking. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to fix them. Plus, I've got a self-test at the end, so you can prove to yourself that you've mastered them. Ready? Let's fix your English. Section 1. The I trap. Ship versus sheep. Mistake number 1 is the short I versus the long E sound. This is the classic ship/sheep problem. Here's the physics. Your tongue is lazy for the short I. It stays low and relaxed in ship. But for sheep, your tongue stretches up high, almost touching the roof of your mouth, and you smile slightly. The mistake. Most learners make every I sound long. So, I live here becomes I leave here, and I filled the form becomes I feel the form. Let's train your muscle memory. Repeat after me. I'll say it 3 times, you mirror me. Short I words. Bit. Quick, drop your jaw slightly. Sit. Relaxed, almost bored. Ship. Fast, no smiling. Live. Your tongue stays down. Fill. Quick punch of sound. Now the long E words. Stretch them like rubber bands. Beat. Hold it. Beat. Seat. Smile. Seat. Sheep. Stretch it. Sheep. Leave. Feel your tongue rise. Leave. Feel. Long and smooth. Feel. Practice sentence. I sit in the seat of the ship and feel the beat of the waves. Say it with me. Feel the difference in your mouth. Section 2. The OO confusion. Pull versus pool. Mistake number 2. The short OO versus long OO. These look identical in writing but sound completely different. Say pull and pool with me. For pull, your lips are slightly rounded, like you're about to drink from a straw, but the sound is quick. Pull. Done. For pool, your lips make a tighter circle, and you hold the sound longer. Pool. Your lips should almost hurt from the tension. Common disaster. I'm going to the pool. Sounds like, I'm going to the pull, which makes no sense. Or worse, this book is full. Sounds like, this book is fool, insulting the author. Shadow me, exact lip positions. Short OO. Quick, loose lips. Pull, full, foot, good, book, look, cook. Long OO. Tight, round, held longer. Pool, fool, boot, moon, room, soon, food. Challenge sentence. I pulled the book from the room and looked at the moon while I cooked food by the pool. It was good, not foolish. That was a workout. Rewind and say it again if your lips aren't tired yet. Section 3. The V/W war. Teeth versus lips. Mistake number 3 is the V versus W battle. In many languages, these don't exist as separate sounds. In English, confusing them creates completely different words. The V sound is violent. Put your top teeth on your bottom lip. Blow air through. Feel the vibration. Very. Your teeth touch your lip. The W sound is soft and round. No teeth involved. Pucker your lips like you're blowing a kiss. West. Only air and rounded lips. The test. If you say video instead of video or wary instead of very, you're using W when you need V. Mirror practice. Do this with me. V words. Teeth on lip. Very, teeth down, vibrate. Voice, bite that lip. Visit, feel the buzz. Love, end with teeth on lip. 7, 2 V sounds, check both. Never, teeth contact each time. W words, lips rounded, no teeth. West, blow a kiss westward. Water, round lips only. Window, 2 W sounds, check both. What, no teeth. Well, soft and round. Wonderful, 3 W opportunities. Tongue twister, will the very wise visitor watch the video about water and wine? Did you feel your teeth touch for very and wise? Did your lips stay rounded for watch and water? Check in the mirror if you're unsure. Section 4. The deadly TH. Tongue placement. Mistake number 4. The TH sound. This is the mark of a confident English speaker. Get this right, and you instantly sound more natural. There are actually 2 TH sounds, one voiced, one voiceless. But most learners substitute Z or D or S and say Z instead of the or sink instead of think. The secret? Your tongue must be visible. Stick it out slightly between your teeth. Yes, it feels weird. Yes, it looks a bit silly, but native speakers do this constantly. Voiceless. TH, air only, no vocal cord vibration. Think, blow air over tongue. Thing, keep it light. Bath, quick puff of air. Mouth, tongue out, air through. Voiced TH, the, your tongue vibrates. This, buzz between teeth. That, same position, add voice. Mother, tongue out at the end. Weather, 2 TH sounds. Practice progression. 1. Just stick your tongue out. Hold it there. Get comfortable looking ridiculous. 2. Blow air for think. 3. Add voice for this. 4. Combine. This thing makes the weather better, Mother said with her mouth full. If you're not sticking your tongue out, you're not doing it right. Be brave. Section 5. Word stress, the rhythm's secret. Mistake number 5 is word stress. English is a stress-timed language. We punch certain syllables and swallow others. Get the stress wrong, and native speakers can't understand you, even if every sound is perfect. Example. Record, noun, the thing. Record, verb, the action. Same letters, different stress, different meanings. The rule? Most 2-syllable nouns stress the first syllable. Most 2-syllable verbs stress the second syllable. Nouns stress first. Present, gift. Object, thing. Project, plan. Conduct, behavior. Verbs stress second. Present, to show. Object, to disagree. Project, to display. Conduct, to lead. But here's the advanced tip. In sentences, we stress content words, nouns, verbs, adjectives, and de-stress function words, the, in, of. Natural rhythm practice. I want to buy a book. Punch the capitals, whisper the rest. She lives in the house by the lake. We need to fix this now. Record yourself saying, "Present your present," or "I'll object to your object." Play it back. Did you hear the stress shift? That's advanced English rhythm. Interactive self-test. Time to prove you've mastered this. I'm going to say 8 words or sentences. Say them back to me with the correct pronunciation. Then I'll reveal the answer. Score yourself. Question 1. Bit. Short or long E? Answer: short, quick and relaxed. Question 2. Pool. Short or long oo? Answer: long, tight, round lips held longer. Question 3. Video. Does it start with V or W? Answer: V, teeth on lip. Question 4. Weather. How many TH sounds? Answer: 2, both voiced TH, tongue between teeth. Question 5. I want to live here. Is live short or long? Answer: short, E, not leave, but live. Question 6. I need to record this. Stress on which syllable? Answer: second syllable. Record, verb. Question 7. This is a present. Stress on which syllable? Answer: first syllable. Present, noun. Question 8. Say this. The very wise visitor watched the weather. Answer: check your V sounds, teeth on lip, and TH sounds, tongue out. How did you score? Comment below with your score and which sound is hardest for you. You did it! You've just fixed the 5 pronunciation mistakes that hold back most English learners. Quick recap. Short E is relaxed. Long E is stretched and smiling. Short oo is quick. Long oo is tight and held. V uses teeth. W uses only lips. TH requires your tongue between your teeth. Be brave. Stress changes meaning. Punch the right syllable. Your mission: pick one of these sounds. Practice it for 2 minutes every day this week. Record yourself on Monday, then again on Sunday. I guarantee you'll hear the difference. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It tells YouTube to share this with other learners who need it. Subscribe to Listen and Learn English Easy for weekly pronunciation fixes that actually work. Drop a comment. Which of these 5 sounds is your biggest enemy? Is it the TH? The V/W? The word stress? Tell me below and I'll reply with personalized tips. Next week, we're tackling connected speech. How native speakers link words together so "what do you want" becomes "what do you want?" You won't want to miss it. I'm Sarah. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep speaking with confidence. See you in the next one!